President of All Manipur United Clubs Organization Amuko Nando Luwang has reiterated that the celebration of Manipur's Independence Day on August 14 cherishes the idea of freedom and it is not at all anti-India as Manipur achieved freedom from British rule on August 14, 1947 before it became a part of India in 1949. Nando Luwang was speaking on the sideline of 79th Manipur Independence Day observance, which was held at Amuko's office in Kwakatil today. In the observance, which was marked by hoisting of Pakhangba embossed flag, Nando Luwang highlighted the significance of the observance and asserted that Manipur suffered defeat only against Awa and British in its existence of over 2,000 years. After becoming part of Indian Union in 1949, Manipur continued to face various challenges, which include the recent threat on its existence. He added that Manipur still needs emancipation from these challenges and threats.
Isingamaga Tamapan Nipsutreki, Agaskitang, Tamarida, British Manipur, Nintam, Piramadu, Ningsing Javani. I see Ningsing Jaribaki, Madam Dicarino Haragati, a Koi Manipuri Singsi, Nintamna, the Sang Chenepa, Yankankiada, Adumba, Awagima put on my Tikiba, British put on my Tikiba, and Kakanisinatana, Manipuri Singdi, Ningatam Maga, Tinjarapadumakunai, Amanev, Adubo, 1949 Degi, a Koi part of Tinga, Matunga, Manipuri Singna, Matin Stopangam, the Pulkeama, Merekpa. Ngasi Ekoina, Manipur Nintam, the Mihagi, a Queen Nintam, Kativa Pirandu, Sinkatamatam, Nintamri Tolam, Pankomatam, a CEO Noagadi, a Singba, Nintamadu, the Remtagadi, Kiam Noagadi, Wapum Simusway, Jik, Manipur Gimiamna, Kariguma Tabamatoda, Manintamatobam Daba, a Fapun Ayana Kochi, Language Zenba, Nisi Manintam Napoli, the Mapum Primaka. Yoling Palang Patel have a Rusuki Wafundo, Madu appointment for the three of the same. Manipur Miam, Mating Leba, Ellen Yam Leba, Kudimuke machine, all the Makiti, Manchele, Karigino, the machine, Manintam Bagi, later, but Land Park, I think the Leba, Akogi Lami Yamugum, Akogi, one the Yamugum of lady ever.